I'm Taylor with Kowalski's Markets, and today we're making lemon blackberry bread pudding.
Start by letting your hollow bread dry out for a full day. This helps it soak up all the custard. Tear the bread into rustic pieces and add them to a lightly greased baking dish. Scatter fresh blackberries over the top so every bite gets a burst of fruit. In a mixing bowl, whisk together half and half, sugar, beaten eggs, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Pour this silky custard over the bread and berries, then let it sit for about 40 minutes, occasionally gently pressing down so the bread absorbs every drop. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once the bread is fully soaked, dollop lemon curd across the top. This gives the pudding that bright, tangy finish. Bake uncovered until the center is set and the top is lightly golden, about 45 minutes. Let it rest for at least 10 minutes before slicing. Dust with confectioner's sugar, fresh mint, and if you want to take it over the top, serve it with a drizzle of creme anglaise.
And here you have lemon blackberry bread pudding.